Hello everyone, this is Yi from Gossip Boat. Today I would like to share this 7.5 meters easy craft boat. This boat the client selects the sliding door. I will share it when go on board. First, we will start from the front. We can see the trolley motor plate. Many clients prefer this one so they can install the trolley motor when receiving, which is convenient when driving the boat. On the cabin roof, we can see the searchlight. We have other options which you can control by key. Well, I will share the details about the accessories and the layout of this one. On the side, the client makes slight changes. We can see the draining hole like this. And this place is for the dip wick. In the past year, the dip wick is more and more popular. Many clients prefer the trim tabs of dip wick. Yeah, when we deliver, we will separate the cabin roof and whole boat and deliver them separately. This one, the client select this sliding door, so when open, you can have the great view inside cabin. Well, we can see here, it's folded and open like this. This one also the same. You can have the great view when inside cabin of the whole deck. Of course, you can select to open like this. Open half open for the deck, for the door. Both available. Which one is customized, and if you like this one, you can leave me a message. We will communicate with the engineer if okay to put on your boat model. And the door locker on side to protect the door. This captain seat is another piece I would like to share. This is the two-side seat. You can select to sit forward or backward. And it's convenient and comfortable with these rails. So you can put your arm here and lean on this area. It's convenient. We can provide our regular seats, and if you have special requirements for the captain seats, passenger seats, you can leave us a message. On the stern is our regular design for the cutting board, light bay tank, battery box. The client adds this large cutting board to separate one. So you can control on each one conveniently. On the stern, it's our regular fold-down seats. This one is with longer deck space, so you can have the more space when do fishing. It is okay if you would like to put fold-down seats on each side of the deck, and also with the table in the middle. Well, that's the basic layout of this one. If you have any requirements about the boat, you can share with us, or any advice, feedback when do fishing. You can communicate with our engineer to build your own boat. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.